Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and to this video I'm going to simply show you on how to stop third party from spying you in your Gmail app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Gmail. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Gmail app. Having opened up your Gmail, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Google account. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply swipe this way and make sure you go to security. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down until you get to your connection to third-party apps and services. Next thing you need to do is to click on see all connections. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and review some of the connection right here. If you take note of any connection you are not recognized, what you need to do is to simply click on the connection, select on the app or the website, and it's going to load up to this page. Next thing you need to do is to click on delete all connection you have with this particular site. Click on that and delete the connection you have with this. What you need to do is to simply click on confirm. And in a few seconds, your connection with the app is going to be deleted and your account is going to be saved from being spied by this particular website. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.